So guys, I'm about to cook now. I first of all boil the water, the beans, remove the first water, and then added. So I'm going to add this now. Add water and put it for the plantain to get very soft before I continue cooking. So adding crayfish, chili, adding some chili, and this palm oil is really nice, guys. It's really nice. I didn't expect this. Unripe plantain and beans porridge is a very healthy meal, and I think you should incorporate this into your menu for your children and yourself. Sometimes you could just cook the unripe plantain. When I mean unripe plantain, you could see the one that is still very green. Make it for your children. Add some, dry fish for them. Thank you guys for watching. Yummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.